Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to connect your Hiboy S2 Pro to the official mobile app, step by step. We'll install the app, pair via Bluetooth, walk through permissions, and do a quick feature tour. Grab your scooter in your phone. Let's get connected. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Prepare your scooter. Charge your scooter, unfold it fully, and power it on. Keep the phone within 1 to 2 meters of the scooter. Step 2. Install the Hiboy app. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android. Search for Hiboy and install the official Hiboy app. Step 3. Enable Bluetooth and location on Android. Turn on Bluetooth. On Android, also allow location/nearby devices. This is required for Bluetooth scanning to find your scooter. Step 4. Create or sign in to your Hiboy account. Open the app and sign in or create an account. This unlocks features like firmware updates and ride stats. Step 5. Add your scooter. Tap the plus add device or connect button. When the app scans, select Hiboy S2 Pro from the list. Confirm the Bluetooth pairing prompt. Step 6. Grant in-app permissions. If the app asks for Bluetooth, location, or notifications, tap Allow so it can connect and show live data. Step 7. First time checks. Once connected, the app may ask to update firmware or calibrate. Keep the scooter powered on and don't exit the app until it finishes. Step 8. Quick feature tour. From the home screen, you can see speed, battery, and total mileage. You can lock/unlock the scooter, choose ride modes like eco/normal/sport, toggle headlight, and view ride stats. Explore settings for cruise control and brake strength if available. Step 9. Test a connection. Spin the wheel off the ground or take a slow, safe roll. You should see the live speed and battery changing in the app. Step 10. Rename and finalize. Rename your scooter in the app so you can spot it quickly. Handy if you have more than one Hiboy. If it still won't pair, delete the scooter from the app, if listed, then add it again. As a last step, reinstall the app. And that's how you connect your Hiboy S2 Pro to the mobile app. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Got questions or stuck on pairing? Comment below. I read everyone. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.